review ya ka position juga COVID patient berkiwi-kiwi dia kini normal patient ru hang ni possible hospital. Kejengwan kejungi sini kadi kejeng temu kenang bah ini melak noong bang pet tangi ki COVID patient ya pet ru ya ki normal patient ki badun hang ni kum ki cancer patient ki memberi bentuk ya kejeng cakri kejeng ai kejeng cakri ya ki aju ko por kiwi-kiwi bade ki nongpang belong normal. Aju ko por wan pet hang ni bakumdo ka kejinglong jeng COVID situation ini kumbala itu dan Dr. Andreas ini dari medical superintendent jong Shillong Civil Hospital dan di HSMI yang ni ya ke detail jong ki jinglong jengman jong COVID position yang ni ke situ dah kaliang jong Dr. Andreas.
Kibang iyo kade benkong ka lack of space ngidon jingtia total menakani ngidon kumba Sao Paulo tementang ila increase kendiat akan ke building. But ang tayo hakaway ngidon kumba Sao Paulo hi nginangire ban create te total kami kumba prapu di TIA yang ni. Hindi bat kani ka search ka bami menta langin dang la na ban takil bat ka ni ka bed capacity. Tarong idang sedang banile ban penhe. But ngasain lada kadon sisa ka search pada ngin ham approach of government ka ka ban le pada. No, right kumba la ong isa matan bangin khang ikani ka way ka building ru ngimnot marba ngi don ki nang pang ki don ki kham tam hang ni bangi radiotherapy chemotherapy tingi bon bahagi cancer patient ru te ki don ki nang pang badan ka wi ting pang takadaw ngimnot ban khang ikani ka non covid site ni dang function hiadu menta
Chief Minister Jogi kumu Chairman pakai barok jedot kam nadu ki oksigen nadu ki jingtia ban penbuan ni jingtia dum tau COVID ngil ong baria banyak be kaman ngimdi bersange DHS do dang ni ila ban khatai kam janai kam details ya ke jedot kam jongga hospital ban kaliang sarkar ngi ong baria be kaman ngimdi ban bu no lu jinge na munta kitu gi nongpang ki bawan mun sya sumar hagni ka hospital.
Now we are having cases across the state after a lull, and the situation, as we have already told, is grim. And to overturn this situation, our health workers are going full swing 24/7 and unnecessarily don't tire them. This will pass. It will pass with your help and with our help. Together we can make it and we will sail through. As of now, as I've already said, the situation is not good. And once we say that from our side, we mean that it is not good. And to stay inside your house, your homes, where it is the safest place. If you come out, you spread, you will be spreading not only to your neighbors, but inside your own house. When you come out, the three cardinal instructions which we have already given all this time: mask, now we are wearing double mask, sanitization, and social distancing. These are still the key points, and these are the three things which will help contain the spread. Thank you.
We are really grateful and thankful to them. That's why we want here to motivate our doctor. We want to encourage them to build confidence in our health workers, particularly the doctor, nurse, and all the health workers in this hospital.